At Spinners in Florence, they were honored with skating, games, and fun activities. Rewards for their dedication to learning and growing, even outside the classroom.
Today we are here with our secondary scholars, middle school and high school, as a part of our summer reading celebration. So the scholars that are here today all read 9 or more books over the summer. Some even made it to 100 books, and we're very proud of them. So we wanted to celebrate them. So we collaborated with the RISE grant to make this happen for our students in middle school and high school to come and celebrate with them today. As a district, we read over 15,000 books, and we're very proud.
The scholars are here today having a great time due to their achievement and everything that they have worked hard for. If our scholars can do it, there's no other limits where they can go from here.
Some kids can't read a simple sentence, so I feel like reading over the summer will help that, and just to build overall character, because it'll help you in real world situations where like you have to know how to read to survive and stuff. So like I personally feel like our generation, like we need to work on literacy.
I think reading is very fundamental. Reading is very great. It broadens your horizons. It gets you far as long as you know how to read and you have good reading skills and comprehension.
So we want to let them know that we recognize them and we acknowledge them for their hard work, because some of them could be working jobs, doing other things in the summer, but they chose to continue to learn and build their knowledge by reading. So we're going to celebrate them with some JPS joy.
For this select group of JPS scholars, summer break becomes a season of learning and achievement.
As educators, let's continue to push our scholars to their full potential and above their own expectations. Continue to set those goals for them. They can do it.